Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day everyone. My name is Faris Hakim bin Muhammad with metric number of 200663. We'll be presenting the flowchart of our practical 5, which is measuring the rate of photosynthesis. Once again, we cannot do this experiment hands-on due to the pandemic, but thanks to our lecturers, we were able to do this online. Okay, first thing first, the experiment will start by preparing different concentration of sodium bicarbonate solution like in this picture here at 1%, 2.5% and at 5% of weight by volume. Next, 5 small pieces of fresh leaf is obtained and prepared using a paper puncher, which is basically making a small punch on the leaf. Then the third step is when the 5 small punch leaf is put inside a 10 milliliter syringe and it is filled with distilled water half through, meaning half full. Then the leaf will be seen floating. All the air from the leaf is then taken out by sealing the opening of the syringe using our finger and pulling the syringe to create a vacuum condition. The air needs to be pushed out from the syringe as much as possible to avoid error during observation. This is done several times until all the leaves can be seen sink. Next step, after all the leaf have sink, it first need to be made sure that there is no air bubble on the leaf and syringe wall. If not, repeat step 3. For the fifth step, all syringe containing the small punch leaf and water are transferred to beakers containing sodium bicarbonate at different concentration as stated before in step 1, as shown before, or water solution. In this case, the beaker containing water will act as control in this experiment. Then this beaker is placed under a 100 watt gas lamp at range of 30 cm that acts as light source to begin photosynthesis process on the leaf. The observation started as the leaves start to float and the number of floating leaf is recorded. The result is then discussed accordingly.